So how do you sync contacts on Android with a Gmail account? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So through your built-in contacts app, in my case, it's the Samsung contacts, I can open it up like this and go to the left panel by tapping on the three lines for more options to appear, and I can click on Manage Contacts. And there I have the ability to sync, right, which is the thing that we are going after. In there are a couple of different accounts already because they are already part of my phone, but I can even tap on more, tap on add account, choose Google, right, and literally just sign in with my email address, right? So just add the account right there. But in order to synchronize, make sure it is enabled like that. And then you can also tap on the sync button below to initiate the process again after you made some changes. So that would be a great way to do this. On the other hand, you can also get a different contacts application. For example, the one from Google works out well, right? And in there, since it's from Google, it's only going to display Google contacts, right? And you can switch in between the accounts like that. It's going to, get the job done, right? You can also go to the devices contacts if you wanted to, but that way you get much more control over your Gmail contacts, right? Because it's like official from Google. So depends on what you want, but these are the best options if you ask me. So I would appreciate some feedback. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of solution. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.